Hello, hello. Welcome to the May 2023 local real estate market update here in the Mid-Willamette Valley. I'm Ryan Long with the Sue Long Realty Group, giving you a few stats and interesting tidbits of what's going on in real estate right now. So today I'm going to be presenting, it's mid-June, a few stats from year to date to today, but most of the stats we're going to be looking at are just looking at May of 2023 and comparing it to April 2023 or May 2023, the year before. So the short version is, if you're not going to watch anything else, we are still in a low inventory environment. Even though demand has come down considerably from a year ago, inventory has come down even more. And so supply demand prices are slightly higher than a year ago. And we're still getting multiple offers. So that's the short version. Let me dive into a couple things that I think are really interesting. Hopefully you will as well. But we're going to look at statistics for Corvallis first. This last month, May 2023, median sales price $550,000, average price per square foot $300 roughly per square foot. Both those numbers are up just a little bit from last month and up just a little bit from a year ago. Actually, the price per square foot's up about 5% over a year ago. So the number of sales, though, and we'll see this consistently in Albany and Lebanon as well, but we're down about 10% over how many sales we had last year. But really, that's not telling, because year to date, we've had only 40% of the number of sales here in Corvallis. Residential sales on half an acre or less, there's just been almost nothing closing, even though we've got buyers that are still competing. Look at this list price ratio, 101.8%. That has gone up, meaning demand is rising. Multiple offer situations are just rising from April to May of this year. And our month supply of inventory is only 0.9 months. I'll talk about that here in just a second, but that is extremely low. Let's take a look at Albany. Albany, we're at 400. Oops, let's get all the way in there. Yeah, we're at $430,000 median sales price, up a bit from a year ago, and they had a bit of a spike here, April to May this year. Months of inventory, only a month. So what we as real estate agents say is that a healthy or balanced market, we call it, is about 5 to 7 months of inventory, meaning that if no more homes came on the market, the existing inventory, the existing number of houses would sell out in that many months. So right now, if nothing else came on the market, we'd expect everything to sell in a month. And that's really, really low. That's a strong seller's market. The sellers have all of the control here. Even at 2 or 3 months, that's a seller's market. So that's really the story. More demand than supply, and really both of those things have come down. Demand has come down as we've had interest rates go up and affordability has gone down, but the number of new homes coming on the market has gone down even more. So we're still getting bidding wars. You can see that Albany is still over 100% as far as percentage of list price ratio. So let's take a quick look at Lebanon, but again, it's going to be same story. So we were at 550,000 median sales pricing for Corvallis, 430 in Albany. Now let's look at Lebanon, and it is 357. We are over 100% for list price ratio. Month supply of inventory is almost nothing. And they did have a spike over the winter. We actually saw 3-4 months of supply in Lebanon. Things weren't selling quite as quickly, but we're back to it. There's not very many options for the buyers out there. So it is a wonderful time to sell your house. It's a hard time to be a buyer. There are options, but you have to be ready to be competitive, especially those turnkey properties. You can have a little bit of vision and maybe buy a fixer or something that could use some updates. You're going to get a better deal on that. We'd love to help you out in creating that vision or helping you find people that can help you do those updates. That's what I got for today. We will see you again next month. Thanks so much for joining me. Signing off, Ryan Long with Sue Long Realty Group. Bye now.